Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the source file and permissions. This prevents silent failure. Once confirmed, run cp with absolute paths, for example, cp/full/path/source, file/full/path/destination/. You use v for verbose feedback and p to preserve timestamps and permissions when that matters. Make sure to avoid relative paths in scripts to reduce errors. Using full paths makes the operation repeatable and safer. If copying multiple files, use quotes or glob carefully to include intended file names. Next, handle complex cases. When copying directories, use R or to retain structure and attributes. A equals dr preserve equals all. If overriding is risky, add backup equals numbered so older files are saved with ~1 names. To maintain source directory hierarchy, add parent so cp rebuilds the path at the destination. Once done, verify sizes and counts with do sh and lsl, and use md5 sum on both sides when integrity matters, especially for large or critical files. To finish, verify the copy succeeded by comparing checksums, md5 sum source and target, for example. If permissions block you, either adjust with chmod or rerun cp under sudo. Make sure you understand the security implications. If the operation is interrupted or you need resume and progress, switch to rsync p, which is resumable and reports progress. Finally, clean temporary files and confirm destination ownership with chown when required. This prevents access issues for downstream users or services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.